A clean-shaven boy also gives a status on Facebook. I want a religious life partner. Let's go to heaven together. A girl walking on the street with a veil hanging around her neck also gives a status on Facebook. My baby, my bride. I want a religious life partner. Let's pray the hajj together. How strange. What a strange thought. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain amma ba'd. To all the brothers and sisters who are watching my video lecture at this moment, I would like to greet you in Islamic terms. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessing be upon you all. Today, the topic of my discussion is how to find a religious life partner. We all want to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. But to go to heaven, I have to die first. Similarly, we all want a religious life partner, but we don't want to be religious ourselves. But to get a religious life partner, we have to be religious ourselves first. Due to lack of religious education, we often make mistakes. For example, a clean-shaven boy also gives a status on Facebook. I want a religious life partner. Let's go to heaven together. A girl walking on the street with a veil hanging around her neck also gives a status on Facebook. My baby, my bride. I want a religious life partner. Let's pray the hajj together. How strange. What a strange thought. In this colorful world of Facebook, only a competition for deception is going on. We are getting emotional after seeing some things from someone is nothing but stupidity. I didn't become Ahmed in the humble just because I posted to Islamic post. In real life, I have no end of my sins. I am drowning in the sea of sins. Anyway, what I am saying is, most of us want a religious life partner, but we don't want to be religious ourselves. We think that if we get a religious life partner, we will be blessed in this world and the next. However, it is more important to be religious ourselves than having a religious life partner. My partner will be in her grave, and I will be in my grave. Her deeds will be in her hands, and my deeds will be in my hands. Therefore, it is more important to be religious ourselves. Lut alayhi salam was the prophet of Allah, but he did not get a religious wife. His wife was from hell. That is why Lut alayhi salam did not forget his religiousness, nor did he complain to Allah. Asiya alayhi salam was a loyal servant of Allah, while her husband was the biggest sinner in the world, frowned. That is why Asiya did not abandon her religiousness, nor did she even complain to Allah. I have no hand in whether my life partner will be religious or not. If Allah wills, I can find someone religious or not. But I have to try to be religious myself. Allah has given me a conscience and let me free. I can choose my path as I wish. We can pray to Allah that our life partner be religious. There is nothing more to. You cannot make him religious by acting on your own. And that is not your responsibility. But you have to do everything to become a religious person. It is more important to perform the obligatory prayer alone before praying tahajjud with your spouse. There is no excuse for this. If someone who prays tahajjud come into life, you can pray tahajjud together later. And if someone doesn't come, there is no problem. You can pray it yourself. So let's try to follow Islam. If Allah is pleased, you will find a religious spouse, inshallah.